aside from my soul.
So today I've come here to Bridge 48 that's on Spon Lane in Grendon. You may have noticed I'm on my own because Rat's still at work as it's a weekday and I work till 2, Rat finishes at 5. So I've not been able to get out this weekend, so I thought I'd come on my own today and do a bit. Don't look like anybody else has been here before, so it could look promising. Let's do this. RS Magnet Fishing, like and subscribe. And before I start today, I'd like to say a big thank you to everybody who's showed the support, especially James Archard. You've been a big help with all your shout outs and that. And also Patriot Magnets, Scotty B, cheers for your shout out. Much appreciated. Cheers guys. Not a lot so far, just little rubbishy bits. Feels like it's sticking to something. Let's have a go with the grappling. See if that grips it. Oh, there's something down there, but if I keep trying with the grappling, I think I'm going to lose it. I've had my first find. A broken screwdriver. In the bucket it goes. Had a 10p. It says 2001 on it, but it looks like it's been in there all that time. Well, I seem to be getting quite a lot of rusty bits. I think other magnet fishers may have been here before.
Any luck?
Not yet.
Well, good luck anyway, mate.
Yeah, cheers.
Hope you find some treasure.
Motorbike frame. Another one. That's alright, isn't it? Maybe other magnet fishermen ain't been here. Who knows? Well, the finds are coming in now. I had a tin lid and a gas canister. It's quite a big one. Ish. Well, not a lot here. I've had the motorbike frame, so I'll move around to the other side of the bridge, but first I'm going to do a walk under the bridge. Let's do this. Well, I only got halfway through my walk along the bridge and got this, not sure what it is. No clue, just scrap. Continue the walk through the bridge then. Well, there was nothing else on the walk through the bridge then. Moving around the other side. But before I do, let's just have a quick look at this motorbike frame again. Oh, that's cool. Let's do this then, to the other side of the bridge. That's pretty cool. Some sort of pipe work for, I don't know, gas or water or something. Looks like it's been there a long time. So, let's do this. Well, I was only going to do Bridge 48 today, but seeing as I ain't had a lot here, it's pointless to keep magnet fishing if you ain't getting nothing. So I'm going to go down to the next bridge, just that way. Let's do this. So there it is then, the next bridge. I'm not sure how good this one is going to be, because people don't walk over this, it's just for cars and it's quite far out from anywhere. So it'll be a bit weird if people have been chucking stuff in here. Still got to have a go though. I have been and had a look around. It doesn't look like there's any other metal being dragged out here. It's a bit messy, but no metal. Put this over here. Put all that over there, out of the way. Oh, there is a bit of metal. People have been here before. Oh, there's quite a bit of metal. Maybe not looking so good after all. Let's have a quick look at the other side. No, nothing there. So I'm unsure what it's going to be like here, but we'll have a go. Let's do this. RS Magnet Fishing, like and subscribe. Looking on the first row, right solid. Had a couple of screws there so far, that's about it. Always leaving my bucket miles from me, let's put it there. Well, just 2 screws this side of the bridge then. Not very good at all. Lady Luck ain't with me today, left her at home. I'm going to go to the other side of the bridge, have a go there. If I don't get nothing, it's only going to be a quick go, and then go home. Let's do this. RS Magnet Fishing, like and subscribe. Well, it's just started raining, so I think I'm going to do this side of the bridge. From under the bridge. Keep dry. Huge. Sticks. Well, I think this is probably the worst bridge I've ever been to for magnet fishing. 2 screws and nothing else. But they can't all be winners. Just like to say a big thank you again to Scotty B at Patriot Magnets and James Archer. You've been a big help. Thank you guys. So I think that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. RS Magnet Fishing, like and subscribe.
I think it's all angels just walk by.